Alright guys, welcome guys. This is Simple Graphics. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to do a mood board. So a mood board is just is what gives you the tone of what your client should expect. But the average person, average lady that sells bag might not need this. The average person that just wants a design for a real estate company might not need it, but for companies that actually know where they are going to, the company that is outside Nigeria, maybe you have a client from outside Nigeria, I just need to teach you this because many of the people you see that teaches a logo design, they don't actually teach this, but I said I must do this. So a mood board is what set the tone of the kind of logo to expect. Most times they don't know the meaning, but when you're working with the client from outside Nigeria, you'll be able to make this for the person. So it's like you set a tone where what they should expect, the kind of typography they should expect, the style of logo they should expect. You understand? That's actually what mood board is. So this is combined with the research that you are going to do. You're researching before you're sketching. So but I just want to make this a kind of a different video from researching. There are so many ways to research actually, but I think this is going to be part 1. And let me make this part 1, and then the second one will complete the researching. So but if I can finish everything in this video, no problem. So I'm going to go straight to Pinterest. I have the app saved on my phone, so I'm just going to go there straight. So we're working with a fintech brand, and what you should do first of all is to check for fintech brand designs, fintech logos. Okay, let's start from logos. So these are the kind of logos fintech companies use. You understand? So this is what they use, and you have a lot of them here. Yeah, you have a lot of them here. So these are inspiring logos that when you see this logo, wow, you say this is awesome. You understand? But most times some people look the wrong way. So I'm going to talk this in the other video. So let's go straight there. So this is a fintech company. What is a fintech brand? So what we should be doing now is to pick the one that will set the tone for the kind of logo we want to create. Something like this. Our color is green and blue. So you're going to look for the kind of green that can be combined with blue. So I'm going to save this. First of all, download this image. So I've downloaded this. I'm going to look for more. You see, majority of the kind of colors for fintech is green and blue. You understand? Majority, many of them use only blue and white. Some other one use green. You understand? So we're trying to make our one a bit different from them, in as much as we are still going to use a blue and a green. Now looking at what we are seeing here, we have more greens in them. More green in them. So look at this in them too. So we are going to be looking at this. Something like this is good. So we are going to save this. Save this too. Download. So this is the kind of logos we'll be creating. This is the kind of logo we'll be creating. So we're going to look for the kind of blue that will match with that green. Let's look at this. It's also nice. Let's save this too. Yeah, so this is majorly also make your mood board. So you look for typography, fintech fonts. So you see the kind of font that is being used here. They are all sans serif font. Sans serif font. So that's the kind of font to use. So you can decide to add it. Okay, I think to add this. So this one is okay. Download this. So I'm going to go back. So the first fintech logo that we search for. So this is actually a long one. So this is where the main work is in designing the logo, the moodboard and the research. This is where it becomes so kind of difficult to understand. So let's save this. So all these are the stages you pass through when making a logo. So this is we're trying to make a mood board. Okay, I'm taking the ones that are related to green and blue. You understand? A bit green, a bit blue. So that is what I'm setting, so that the person will know that the kind of logo we want to create is taking the style of mood board. Your mood board does not have to be much, you understand? Yes, it does not have to be just simple, some simple write-ups, the kind of photos you want to use, fintech, pictures, so you decide the kind of pictures you also use for the fintech company too. Understand? So I think there is no real picture here, but let's search for fintech branding. Branding design. So we'll see the kind of picture they use. So this is the kind of mockup they used. But alright, so it's not compulsory to add a picture, but you can also add something so that it will be complete. You add text, you add pictures, you add the kind of logo you want to create, and I think that's them. So this kind of mockup that you want to add. Let's save this too. Yeah, a little mockup. So I'm looking for the one that is less blue green. So this is like their kind of social media style. So all these things we've downloaded, we want to bring them into our Moodboard Pixellab. So I'm going to import them. So I'm going to start from the first one, and I'm going to reduce it. And for the second one, it does not have to be all of them. But in as much you are arranging it, try to make it balanced. Understand? Try to make it balanced. Alright. So you see what I'm doing? So I'm trying to put them this logo. You know, if you're using a laptop, it would be better, but for a startup, you don't have a laptop, this is what you pass through. Alright, so I'm going to bring the other one. I'm going to bring out the small cup, and then so you're getting larger. Everything you do, try to balance all the arrangement in. Sorry, I want to import and then I'm going to bring in this, the kind of write-ups, and I'm going to add it here. So what I'm going to do is to crop it, crop this side, crop this side, so do enter. Alright, so this should be here. Alright, so I'm going to make this a bit smaller, and I think we've gotten our mood board. So this is the kind of colors we want to use for this design. So the person should be expecting something green, white, and kind of a blue. Although this is a dark blue, but it's actually what we want to do. So I think I can actually go further for this mood board because of the stress you are going to pass to making it. So it's good you add a mood board to your design. So people will ask you, what did you use to design this? You use your phone. Wow, you used your phone to do this? Say yes. Alright, so I'm just trying to make it balanced. So this is it. So successfully gotten our mood board. So I'm going to save this. Save as Ultra PNG. Shouldn't be JPEG only. Alright. Okay. I just added image Ultra, please. So I'll save. So this is our mood board. This is our mood board. So see you in the next video where we're talking about researching properly.